little puppies. Come here. That's Esmerelda. Hello, Esme. These your puppies? They're beautiful. Who's this one? Oh, this one. This is a little red girl. This is a little red girl. Woo! Woo! Hello. She's got a tiny little white dot right there. Right there. She says hi. And you, little mama, you are a little phantom puppy. Hello, hello, hello. Woo! I'm doing the hula lady. Yeah. A little girl, about a month old, huh? I know. Oh, you're the biggest one. You're another red girl, little darker. You got a little dot on your chest. Oh, what you doing? I know we got a little black baby here. Hello, little mama. Hello, you can look just like your mama. Hey, right, Esmeralda. Right, you're black. Oh, solid black. You're so cute. I know, Esmeralda. Did you beautiful puppies? A little phantom girl, you stuck on me. There we go. Hi.